back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I had to push aside some of my creations that I'm working on because I received a box today. I got a box today and look at this lovely wrapping paper. Isn't that cute? It's freaking cats, mermaid cats. So pretty and it's so sturdy. So anyway, this is from our girl from Lolly Thimble. It's Miss Cat. Yes ma'am, there it is. I got it, I got it. And I got the right side, guys, because right on the top, she put her cute card right there. So cute. If she could teach me her ways. Oh my goodness. I only won one thing, and this box is full. It's loaded. She loaded me up. Cat. Oh, that is so cool. These are like vase fillers. They're little foam glitter balls. Sounds funny. And here she gave me some tinsel garland. Oh, I love it. I think she used some of this on her altered piece that she gave away. Awesome. Oh my goodness. Look how thick. Look how many papers she gave me. With her pretty bow with the seam binding ribbon. Oh my goodness. I have to open this, guys. Let me move this over. Let me share. Now you can see it better. But her piece is so gorgeous. The colors that she chose. Look at that. And I love Christmas. It's my favorite holiday. It says Winter Wonderland. So pretty. Oh, it's vellum. It's vellum. Oh my god. Okay, I don't want to take the ribbon off, but look at, there's more vellum. Oh my goodness, Cat. And this young lady, she thrifts the heck out of her town and gets these amazing finds. Glitter paper, more glitter paper, Christmas paper. Oh, so awesome. Snowflakes. Look at that blue. Look at that blue. Real pretty dark blue. Love it. And it's like a gunmetal gray. It's all cardstock. Very good cardstock. Oh my goodness. Blues and blues. Gorgeous for Christmas. And glitter. Oh my goodness. Cat. Look at all that paper. I love paper. Here, look at this thing. This is so gorgeous. These are alphabets. Oh, chipboard. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Is there an opening already? You got open from here? And she, oh, I bet you anything she thrifted this. Okay, I'm opening the box. Ah, I'm so nervous. I can't get. Here we go. Oh, there's two pieces of tape. Oh, of course. Keep it nice and secure. Come on, little thing. Come on. It won't open. My hand's up. It won't cooperate. Come on, baby. You guys are probably laughing like, are you kidding me? You can't win over a box. Oh, there it is. Look at the letters. It has a snowflake on there. Oh, it's so pretty. I mean, yeah, we're gonna go to town. We have got to get busy on Christmas. Look at that. So pretty. Cat. Thank you. Look at what she did. That gorgeous ribbon. Oh my goodness, this is more than what the prize is. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. I'm excited for Christmas. I'm excited for Christmas. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. An old-fashioned Christmas. That's so pretty. Look at, oh, look at that. These are just, that is so cool. Look at that. That's the back. They look like giant playing cards, but then you have these old photos. Very pretty. Oh, look at this Christmas. This. Is this? Shoot, what? These are actual postcards. Look at that. Somebody actually used these postcards. Look at the writing on this. You guys. Penmanship nowadays, it's not the same. Look at that. Oh my gosh, and it has the original stamps on it. Beautiful, Miss Cat. Thank you so much for sharing this with me. That is so gorgeous. There's more, guys. The pom-poms that you used. There's these gorgeous sequins. What the heck? Love that color. She thrifted that. I kid you not. I would love to go with her thrifting with this icy blue silver ribbon. Oh, oh, oh. My goodness. Look at this. Oh, this is some antique ribbon somewhere, because this, I don't see the ribbon like this. Do not see ribbon like this anywhere. Gorgeous. Thank you, Cat. Aww. She has these beautiful tag stickers. There's 2 sheets. Wow, this one's in the depth of winter. I finally learned that within me lay an invincible summer. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Look at this. I mean, and she gave me this snowflake charms. Beautiful. You guys can see it there, right? You can see those snowflakes. Oh, it's gorgeous. Always so generous, this lady. Oh my goodness. And then look at this sugar plum penguin. Oh, it's so cute. Mary Englebright. Oh my gosh, how did you know? I love Mary Englebright, by the way. When I first started crafting, I really loved her style. I have her magazine / catalog. Yeah, gorgeous. These are stickers. Oh my god, I thought they were a bookmark like that. I thought it was a bookmark, but they're stickers. They're so gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute they are. Look at these little penguins. Look at her with her tutu. Sugar plum penguins. They're so cute. Cat, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, and the other part was some Christmas fabrics. Look at, I just used up some of the rickrack that she sent me on a few projects, and look at what she sent. Some silver rickrack. Isn't that pretty? And then she also sent me this blue with silver. Oh my gosh, there's like silver speckles in the blue. Can you guys see all that? Look at that. And then the baby blue with snowflakes, and it has glitter. Oh, beautiful. I mean, look at this package. And that wasn't even my prize. You guys, you really have to check out Kat at Lolly Thimble on YouTube, because she is an amazing artist. Look, I say artist every time I see her work. So let me scoot these over. I might have to slide you over. Sorry guys, sorry for the shaking. I'm just gonna move you over, because I know there's an amazing item in this wrapping right here. This is my prize. And I would have just loved this alone. You'll see why. I love it, Kat. I love it. Look at this silver wrapping tissue paper. Oh, ta-da! It's gorgeous. Look at this thing. All of these items have been thrifted. There is not one piece on here that she had paid for full price. It is gorgeous, Kat. So much more gorgeous in person. Beautiful, beautiful piece. And yes, it will be displayed in my home. Remove the wrapping paper come the holidays, and it's gonna come out early, trust me. It's gonna be displayed here in my room for a minute, but I am definitely putting this baby out. There's no need to keep this hidden. It's so pretty and fluffy and gorgeous. Look at these items here, are just amazing. Kat, it's beautiful. And she has a little acrylic sleigh, like a Santa sleigh right here, and that's what she filled with the little ornaments and flowers. These are just so pretty. Look at that. And then we have our little polar bear, and he is adorable. It's so soft. Look at him. Oh, he's so cute. Look at all the Christmas tinsel. That's what she shared with me, guys. And then look. Oh, that's what I was hearing. Look at this tiny little jingle bell. There's a few. There's a few all the way around. Look at the detail she has on this thing. Gorgeous, like even up under the tinsel. That beautiful ribbon right there. This ribbon right here is right up under there. So pretty. And she used, oh, there's her signature. It's right there. She used some wine corks. These are the tops of the wine corks. So pretty. I love it. Kat, you amaze me every time. I should stop being amazed by you, because you are awesome lady. This thing, beautiful. And I'm just fussing with that pretty ribbon because I love it. And I just want it perfect, which it is. I want to see the inside, because I think she decorated the inside. Let me see if I can get this lid off it. Gosh, you should see me trying to open her first box she sent to me. Does this open? Yes, it does. It does, but I'm too scared. I'm too afraid. Let me see. Here it comes. And the humidity too kind of affects like how paper and glue react. There it is. Oh my God. Cat! This is not supposed to be here, lady. Listen. Listen, Linda. All of this was a blessing. And this is just amazing. First of all, I knew it. Yeah, she did do the top. And look at this gorgeous snowflake under here. She put a crochet snowflake under there and added the bow. And here's a little tag with another dimensional snowflake right there. These are dimensional. And she's got a few of the little snowballs right here and a pearl. She is so good at hiding little gems here and there. But look at what she did. So that covered the rim. And look at this braided cord right here. It's going around the inside edging of the box. The lid. Beautiful. My goodness, lady. Look at the... People, you should be paying big bucks for this thing because this is gorgeous. And I just peeked under here in the inside right here. There's a snowflake. There's a giant snowflake right there. I don't know, can you see? You can see the edges peeking out. So that's a gigantic snowflake that she put on the onto the lid. And some crochet pieces. And there's little jemmies hiding in here. Awesome. Cat, you shouldn't have. Oh my goodness. Look at all this chipboard that she's got. Oh, there's more Christmas. These are all Christmas. Oh my goodness. Look at that snowman and snowwoman. Oh, Cat. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Do I deserve all this? This is amazing. Oh, the jingle bells. These are jingle bells. They're super, super tiny, guys. Super, super tiny. And washi. There's some blue glitter washi. And then there's some brown little snowflakes. Oh. No. No. Look at this. Look at this. It's so adorable, Cat. Oh my God. You're such an amazing woman. Like, let me tell you. Like, I don't deserve all this. This is so amazing. You're so generous. You're so generous. Oh, look at these. Oh my goodness. Let me take this out. These are pins. This is vintage. It's got to be. You have such an eye. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Are these vintage, Cat? You have to let me know. These are gorgeous. Guys, look at this. Oh, what everyone is trying to replicate in their looks. The vintage, Christmassy, wholesome feeling when we create, when we try to capture that. Here it is. In some vintage pins. Are these vintage, Cat? You have to let me know. I need some tissues. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at these fun buttons. Christmas snowflake buttons. Look at these. Oh, Cat. When I grow up, Cat, I want to be just like you. I just want to be just like you. Giving, loving, supportive, always there for us. Oh my goodness. And I know you're a busy lady, and it just amazes me how you can create all this beautiful work. It's amazing. And then oh my God. Look at this. There's a stamp. Look at this family of snow people. How can you not create with this gorgeous collection? Like, serious. Oh my gosh. I'm just overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. Thank you for watching my video. Please go check out Cat on Lolly Thimble here on YouTube. I can't even speak. Check her out. Now, she doesn't post often, but even the videos that she has on right now, they're all amazing. Please give me a thumbs up, first of all. And share, like, comment. How could you not comment on this beautiful creation? And I will see you all on the next video. Have a great week. Bye.